One of the biggest myths I hear is that QuickBooks runs itself and you don't need to monitor it or have a bookkeeper. Hi, I'm Laurie from Madison Ave Bookkeeping. We specialize in solo private practice bookkeeping, and I've had my own business for 20 years. All right, so let's talk about the myth that QuickBooks runs itself. I was just speaking to someone the other day, and she's like, oh, all the rules are set up, it runs fine. And I said, I know, but it's the bank disconnects, there's errors, and so forth. And she immediately agreed and said, oh, I know, it does disconnect constantly. So that you need to be managing your QuickBooks and making sure your connections are there, and that when you reconnect, that you're not having duplicate and triplicate transactions re-added. Can also happen with the auto add feature. Having your bank account connected is not the same as reconciling, and you do need to be reconciling your books to your bank statement every month, or you could have double and triple or missing transactions, and your financials from QuickBooks will be wrong. And the only way to tell for sure that you have good data is to reconcile. QuickBooks often gives bad suggestions for categorizing, and if there are bad auto rules or rules created, things can be posted incorrectly, such as transfers from one bank account to another could be posted as an expense, and that would be incorrect. Another thing that doesn't happen automatically is if you have payroll outside of QuickBooks. So if you have Gusto or ADP or Paychecks, those journal entries for the payroll will need to be hand posted. You cannot enter payroll as an expense in the check register or through bank transactions. It is not correct and can only be done via a journal entry. So QuickBooks is a tool, but it does not replace a bookkeeper. So either you will need to be doing your own bookkeeping, or you will need to hire a bookkeeper or a bookkeeping company who can assist in making sure your data is accurate. There's a lot more to it than just the data entry, and most bookkeeping firms are not really looking to do data entry anymore. They're more trying to help guide you at year end and on a monthly basis, understanding where your numbers are. Again, I'm Laurie from Madison Ave Bookkeeping. If you found this helpful, I really appreciate it if you could share it with others, such as your friends and colleagues, as I don't monetize my channel. And please watch out for more videos. Have a great day.